Replaces multiple jacks. The patented triple lift design fits cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, even transmission, lawnmowers and snowmobiles. Wide lift range. From a low of 5 to half an inch, with the round saddle removed, to a high of 17 to half an inch with the round saddle installed. Ultra stable and secure. Thanks to a wide wheelbase, the triple lift offers stability well beyond the average floor jack. For even more security, use the included tie-down loops with your tie-downs to secure the load. No need for jack stands. Slide the included safety bar in place and the triple lift is locked in the raised position. Strong and durable. Tested and certified to meet or exceed ASME and PALD standards. Patented design features both a removable lift saddle and padded lift rails. Flexible design allows the triple lift to adapt to multiple types of vehicle frames. Easily lifts cars, trucks, ATVs or replacing transmissions or differentials. Locking safety bar holds jack in place once raised, eliminating the hassle of supporting a lifted vehicle with jack stands. Lifting capacity of 4,000 pounds and meets or exceeds ANSI standards. Top reviews from the United States. This thing is great. The jack worked right out of the box. I did not have to bleed it for use. Just unpacked it and put my road glide on it and it was sturdy and easy to use. I then rotated the tires in my wife's Honda. Then just to put it through the paces jacked my Ram 1500 in the air just to see it work. Happy customer here.